Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some cookies. Here I have all these Play-dohs and we're going to use them to make the cookies. Are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. Let's see how many Play-dohs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 different Play-dohs. And let's name all the colors. This is white. This is pink. This is brown. This is yellow. And this is green. Alright, let's get to work. First I'm going to use this yellow compound. And I'm going to make the first cookie. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. Let's do it one more time. Okay, here's the first cookie. Looks great, but we need to cook it first. While waiting for it to be cooked, we're going to make the second cookie using this shape. Right, here's our second cookie, and we're going to use these two to make a cake. And I'm going to use this pink compound. Okay, let's make our cakes and cookies. You guys ready? Okay, let's do it. There's a cake, and then cookie, and then a second cake. And a cookie. Great! Now let's take the first cookie out, and then I'm going to put it on the plate. And let's take this cookie out and put it on the plate. And I'm going to take out the two cakes. Pretty sticky, guys. Here's the first cake. Oh, here's our second cake. Looks cool. And they look delicious. And I'm going to put this on top of the cookie. Cool, guys. Here's a plate. Looks good and delicious too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.